Team templates are a fantastic way that you can create a unified starting point for everybody in your Bolt team. It means that you only need to build this template once, and then everybody can go from there and create their projects on top of that, showcasing their different ideas without having to rebuild it from the very start. In this video, we're going to look at how you can create your own team template, and then others in your team can use that going forward. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to look at a project I created called Mind Cards. Think of this as a flashcard learning system where you can create these decks, you can add terms, and you can look at their definitions, and you can jump through all of these so that you can learn. This may be an example of a product that you've come up with and you may want to roll it out to the rest of your organization. At this point, it may be a fairly functional prototype that you've created, but now you want to share it with a designer in your team or a professional developer to look at the security of it. This is where team templates become really handy because you can share it in its current state with other people, and there they can grow it and use this as their starting point. A prerequisite of creating a team template is you must be a part of a Bolt team. If you don't know how to do that, simply click on your avatar, scroll down, and here you can create a team. Follow the prompts, and it's easy as that. Now, once you're in your team, we can click on the project name, scroll down, and here you'll see Save as Team Template. Let's give it a name and a description if you choose. Once you're happy, click Save New Team Template. From here, it takes us into the Team Templates page. Here we can manage all of the team templates that we've created. Once we close this, to get back into those settings, we just go into our settings, scroll down to Team, and here you'll see Team Templates. With that saved, let's jump back into the home page. Notice instead of building a project from scratch, we can actually start from a team template using this button down here. Clicking on this opens all of the templates in your team, and here we can see the Mindcard Decks page that we just created. Let's click on this. Now we can start a new project from the selected template. This duplicates the site. Now that it's finished duplicating, there's a few things we need to pay attention to. The first thing is it's not able to duplicate the same secrets as before. So if you did have secrets before, you're now going to have to re-enter them into this project. The second thing is it's been able to duplicate the database. However, it hasn't brought any data in from the template itself. This is a security limitation, and you're going to have to populate your own new data in this new duplicated version. If we hop over to server functions, notice that the server functions get carried across as well. So let's go ahead, add our Gemini API key, create the secret. Let's also create a new user, and we'll create a deck. We'll save the deck. Now that we've added our API key and we've created a new deck, we're pretty much simulating the exact experience as the person who created the template. Here we can go about prompting some changes. Let's simulate the designer. They want to increase the shadow of the deck card around the corners, change the font, and also add dark mode support. So let's enhance this prompt just to give it a little bit more structure. Once we're happy with that, let's build it out. So there we go. Now we have dark mode support, we've got a broader shadow, and we've got more rounded corners. So just like that, we've been able to simulate a designer or anybody else on the team coming in using that template to modify the original design. Regarding permissions, anybody in the team is able to create their own template and delete it. And then team admins are able to edit and delete any other of the team templates. So there we go. In this video, you've been able to see exactly how easy it is to create your own template for anybody else in your team to start their own projects from. As always, if there's any content you'd like to see more of, please leave it in the comments below and we'll do our best to get with it. Good luck building out your project in the rest of your team, and I hope this is a useful feature for you.